Mag-start na ta.
Mag-room tour pa unta ako.
How's it going, guys? So today I'm with Danril and karon namin sa balay nila Kim kay mag-iwawig challenge. And for today's challenge kay mag-play og music, then i-guess na mo kung unsa ang title sa song, then i-finish na mo ang lyrics kung asa siya kutob. So ang nagkuha na kay si Kim na ang bahala na dira. Siya ang among operator karon.
Yes.
So yes, without further ado, let's get started.
Gina.
Yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her.
I'm right over here. When you see me. Oh yeah, ang ambot. Ang song kay Koan. Dancing on my own.
Ay, tama.
And I'm right over here, watching you see me.
Why can't you see
Why
me?
can't-
Oh.
Uy, pero tama man ko, mag 1 point na lang ta. 2 points pag mag-guess ang duwa.
Sige, so 1 point na ka.
1 point na ko. 2 points pag makuha nimo ang lyrics ug ang song. Sige, sige, sige. Danrin.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Gina, next song.
Confess, till on my sleeves I stay red from all the truth that I've said.
Low up lang.
Come by it
Taga ka Danril, low
I swear. Thought you saw me weak, no, I've been on the brink, so
Wala ka pala na.
Ako muna ako sa lyrics. Tell me what you want to hear.
Title.
All my secrets.
tell me what you want to hear.
Tama,
Secrets.
Danril.
Tama.
Bro.
2 points siya.
Secrets siya. Secrets ang title ato.
Sige, next song. Kaya ko ni.
Fireflies. I cannot believe your eyes.
A 10 million
Fireflies.
Stop. Okay, so 1 point pa ko. Yung si Danril kay 2 points na, tama? Yes.
Danril.
Figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight.
Jet lag.
Oh.
Going out of my head, alone in this bed. I wake up to the sunset, and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad. And my heart is so jet lag. Yeah. Okay, next song.
Ay, kani.
I'm gay.
With alone I've tried, and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop.
My heart is
Title.
Wala siya kabalo.
Ikaw.
Ako, still ko.
Still.
The show.
Hi.
The show ang title.
Continue.
The show.
Continue.
I'm just a little bit.
Dili.
Dili. Wala ko kabalo sa lyrics sa Tupodayon. Wala na ako kabalo sa lyrics.
Is going
Or
to
else.
pop.
Or else my heart is going to pop.
Point mo.
1 point each. Kaya siya ang nag-guess sa lyrics. Ako nag-guess sa title.
Teamwork.
I can't ever be brave.
Ako na Ang title kay One Thing. Then ang padayon na itong lyrics kay of course Harry Styles. Shut me out of the sky.
Shot me out of the sky.
You're my kryptonite. You keep making me weak. Yeah, frozen and can't.
Next. Say Harry Styles.
Ay, kadugay.
Operator.
Okay, 1.
But I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo. I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened.
Halo!
Tapos,
Hindi ako mas lyrics.
Every rule I had you breaking.
morning lang yun eh.
You know.
Much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet.
Titanium.
Damo na, tagang.
Gano? Shoot it now, but I get up.
Ha?
You
Ulit.
shoot it now. You shoot me now, but I get up.
You shoot me down.
Mali siya sa lyrics.
1 point.
You shoot me down, you shoot me up.
Shoot me now, you shoot me now.
Shoot me down, down.
Down.
Next song.
Where are you now? Was it all of my fantasy? Where are you now?
Were you only imaginary? Dig!
Title.
Ang title kay...
Still.
Oh, wait lang. Ang nasong utok, where are you now? Guys, nakalimut ko.
Still na.
Oh, still.
Faded.
Yep.
Tama, di ay. Gosh, yung kalimut ko sa Faded. Tama, Faded. Amo nang
Where are you
gikanta.
now?
Amo nang gi-perform sa Kuan, Battle of the Bands.
Across the distance and spaces between us.
Ang title is My Heart Will Go On.
Near.
Ang lyrics kay Once more you.
You have come to
1 point.
Hindi na ka-songs.
Wala!
Ala! Kim!
Kim!
Ala! Bilangan na.
Kim!
Ay.
to hold.
Breath.
Let it stay this
Joke!
Wala pa.
Can't let this moment end.
Kuan, ang title kay Never Be Enough.
Mali! Mali!
Oh, stop that!
Never enough.
Never enough?
Oh!
Never enough.
Oh!
Hindi na ako sa na part.
Damo no.
Yes.
Let it
Set off
Ay, tama. Let it
So never, ang abi mong guna ko, never be enough.
Can
Never
let
be enough or
this
never enough
moment-
lang. Kaya
Gani-
ko never enough, never.
Shimmering splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
A whole new world. A whole new world ang title.
Ang inyong ginapa-sounds no, wala ko kabalo.
Girl.
I can open your eyes. Take
Done
I
real
can
1 point.
open your eyes.
We're all in this together. Back to the top. Since
Ang Frozen dia ito.
Okay, next song.
no reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds.
Ang last.
One Day ang title. And I know one day, around because
I know someday it will turn around.
1 point.
My life.
oh, lagi mo na-inform mo na, basing gibago ang lyrics kin.
Hindi makawala.
Oo ko pala sa lyrics. Lubos ka lang ang title.
Ang title kay Mundo, ang lyrics kay Aking Sinta. Aking Sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan at
Okay.
mundo.
Nagkanta kay
Ang nagkanta kay si Glenn Abukay.
Pearl of Spades.
Pearl of Spades day. Busag ka kin.
Didn't need to put you through this, I could do. We gonna sweep this under the carpet.
Middle!
Ay, oh!
Middle! Oh, I hope that I could turn back the time.
Get it all
Tama na.
right.
Okay, last song ta.
His heart was a stone, but then his hands were on. I turned him to gold.
Roses,
Ay, tama.
deep in my bones, I can feel it. Ay, muna ba? Ay, God, no, wala na!
Ah,
Wala na, 1 point lang sa mukha. Ay, wala akong
Ay, that was
nagbantay sa
good,
lyrics.
that
Wala akong
was
nagbantay
good.
sa lyrics. Ilang points? Kasi daw. Woo!
Yay!
Na-approve. That's it guys for this video, and I hope you like this challenge. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, pagbabaydan.
Bye-bye!
Ang camera. Wala mo na. Wala man to na sirado.
Wala yung madlo ko pagkada sa camera kay Basi.
Let me do that.
Ikaw na.
Sige, go Kim.
That was the key, now it's what you're